Hey.
Under our form of government is a concept that we refer to as the separation of powers. And under the separation of powers, we have one body, which is the legislative branch of the government that creates laws, that create legislation, and then we have the judicial branch that applies those laws. Now, the judicial branch consists of judges and commissioners that apply the law that the legislature creates. The judiciary branch does not create law. At least they're not supposed to, but that's not what's happening. The judicial branch is creating law, and how are they doing it? Through case law interpretations. Case law interpretation, the purpose of case law interpretation is to apply a law through prior cases that were determined to determine what's the best way to administer the fine points of the law. The intent of case law is not to completely negate or override or change the underlying laws. It's just to define the small interpretations of law. However, the courts have taken case law too far, and in a sense, they have breached the balance of power between the legislative group and the judicial group, because they are now creating laws through case law. So if they disagree with the law, if they want to apply a law differently, they either fail to enforce it at all, or they issue cases that really is contrary to the law and then rely on those cases to interpret it. And in essence, they're creating laws which is not under their authority to do. And that's, in a nutshell, what the case law versus creation argument is about.